We are given that, hold on, there are 20 more females than males. Okay, so females is males plus 20, so we can use that anywhere. And we're trying to figure out how many of the females are studying geometry. So I'm trying to find F. Okay, so clue one. Clue one says 20% of all sophomores are studying. So that would be 20% of all. Well, all would be the females plus the males. But that doesn't tell me how many females are taking geometry. So forget about clue one. Doesn't work independently. Clue two, 15% of males are taking geometry. 15.15 times M, the number of males. That would tell me how many males are taking geometry, but I'm trying to figure out how many females. So that doesn't work independently either. So now put clue one and clue two together. All right, so just by looking, that's not going to work, but I came up with an equation. I'm letting X be the percent of females taking geometry. So 15% of the males plus X percent of the females gives me clue one, 20% females plus males. But I don't know this. I don't know the X percent. I don't know the number of males. I don't know the number of females. I don't have any way of finding that. So nothing works. Nothing works. That means your answer is E.